Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to get a job in ERLC. So please subscribe to Ready Set Geo and subscribe to Kurt's Math. I'm in the video of Kurt's Math and I'm in the video of Ready Set Geo. Let's start. Okay, while waiting, please subscribe. I'm going to wait for you to subscribe to me, Kurtzmat, and Ready Set Geo. Okay, let's start. Press that. This is the menu. Press the menu. Beside the left side of your money, press menu. And if you want to, I'm going to show you a tutorial on police team. So type a number that you want, or you can type also the letters that you want. Okay, I'm going to type the number. Okay, first you get your loadout. Yeah, you get your loadout. You can select a uniform of you if you want, but you don't need to select one. Okay, and then select all the items. I think I'm lagging. Select all the items that says cadet. You can edit the YouTube guys if you want. Then on your if you don't have it on your inventory, press the backpack icon right there and equip handcuffs and then equip your gun. Equip the shield na and because that's for the cadet. You that's how you shoot. Then press then press right click to zoom in and press Q to lock your scope and then press it again to unlock and left click to shoot and don't forget get refill your ammo there. And then next you will spawn a car. Spawn the Falcon Prime this car because this is for the cadets. Press spawn and press cruise. It's okay if you don't have that because sometimes in mobile you don't it's quite hard to press it. Okay. Don't forget equip your MVP, the backpack icon again, then look for somebody wanted. Let's check if that guy is wanted. You can also check your NDT to know if it's wanted and if it says search car, then there's nobody in there, shoot their car. says eject them, pepper spray, and then arrest them. If you want to role play, you can take them to your car. That's the guy that's wanted. Use your pepper spray to make them fall, or you can also use your handcuffs. You need to time them, so you can use your handcuffs. There, that's how you arrest them. And press arrest, confirm, and this guy, if it says not wanted, you can't arrest them. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Please subscribe to Ready Set Geo, Kurt's Matt, and Gale Plays. Please subscribe to me as well. Goodbye, guys.